Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Your screen is
Per-
visible.
Perfect. Yeah, all right. So Utkarsh is from NIT Raipur. Good. NITs are renowned colleges. So this is good. Okay. So Utkarsh, starting from the top, I think all of this can be mentioned in one line. Why you have kept two lines for this? Yeah. Okay. So all this should be in one line. Okay. Starting from a phone number should be the first thing, followed by email, then LinkedIn, then GitHub. So it will save your space. Okay. Now you are in Indore, which is fine, but your college is already mentioned here. So that shows that you are pursuing it from Raipur. So you might be in Raipur now. So you can choose not to mention Indore unless and until you wanted to. Okay. MCA student, Raipur, Chhattisgarh. I would recommend Raipur is not needed here because Raipur is already mentioned here. Better you mention your CGPA because CGPA is important to mention as it is a part of the eligibility criteria. DAVP is a university. You should mention the name of the college from where you have done, and then again mention it. Mention the CGP as well. Okay. Uh, you don't have to mention your complete course duration from 29 to 22. It is already understood that BCA is a 3-year course, so you can just mention 22 and 25 for this one. This kind of description is needed wherein you work in a company. Okay, all right. So skills, languages, frameworks, database, tools. So you have mentioned it very specifically. So be ready to face questions on Java, Spring Boot. What is the difference between Git and GitHub? So it can also be asked because you have mentioned it separately. You have mentioned so many tools. I hope you know all because people will ask you questions from this. Otherwise, remove some if you are not confident. Okay, now I see that see the font size of this and see the font size of this. Right? So there is a difference in the font size. So font size should be constant in the entire resume. Okay. So please check your font size. Please make it consistent in the resume. Also, the font style is also should be the same. See, that is not the right way to mention. You should mention Intellect Design Arena, and then below that you can mention SDE Intern Java Full Stack. Okay. And then yeah, this is right. And then front end, back end, this is not the right bullet point to use simple bullet points. In professional documents you should not be using some different kind of uh, fonts or bullet points. It should be simple bullet points. And if you want to know which font style should be used, then usually Calibri is used, or you can use Times New Roman. Both is fine, but here you have used a different one and here it is a different one. So please make it again homogeneous. uh See, you have given a lot of space to your internship. Hmm. So basically, okay, you are interning for last good 5 months. Hmm. See, I think you have given a lot of space to this. I think try to limit it at least to this much space. This is too detailed. It is consuming your 40% of your resume, right? So just think if you can uh, limit it, because it's like it is looking like an essay. Anyway you will explain, right? So limit it. Okay, projects. uh I देखो, see, you have used DevOps tools, GitHub. Then why you have not, made it a hyperlink and uploaded your projects on GitHub? If you have already uploaded, then it should be hyperlink. I cannot see it's not a hyperlink. Okay.
Hello.
Yeah.
So, Saksham, I've used the hyperlinks for GitHub repository, but I've removed it for the physical paper. This format is for physical
Which
interview.
is fine, but how what difference it makes? If it is a hyperlink, still it will come like that, isn't it?
No, I've given the hyperlink at the end, at the rightmost side.
Where?
Yeah,
Where?
here.
Where?
No, I've removed it from this resume because it is for the physical interview.
No, but what is the difference in a what difference it is creating? If you have made it a hyperlink, it
Like in
hmm.
physical paper, we don't need any links.
No, but my
That's
point
why I've
is what
removed.
difference it will make if it is in a physical paper. Hyperlink are also
I've
normal
hyperlinked
text.
a text GitHub. I've written GitHub and I've hyperlinked that, not the skillness title.
See, Utkarsh, you are not understanding what I am saying. When you click this, it should redirect to your project. How do you do that?
But
Select it.
I've given another text named GitHub at the rightmost corner,
Uh,
not
I,
the
I,
title of the project.
I saw that. I saw that. You can see you have used it here, but it would be good if you can also mention it here because then I have to go to your GitHub. I have to scroll. Then I have to search for this. You understand
Yeah.
why? And it will not make any iota of difference if you make it a hyperlink. It will look the same resume. See, if you are doing something, do it, make it a perfect one, right? And this should be, again, you have mentioned in the center. I think it should come, maybe a little down to it, or maybe you can put a comma because in the center it is getting unnoticed. Okay. And then the font size also, you see the font size is big here, the font size is little small here. Okay, your resume is good. I must say that it is very detailed. It shows that you have done a lot of work. You have good achievements also. Your projects are also very detailed. Your experience as an intern is also quite rich. So it is actually a very good resume, I must say. And uh, there are few suggestions which I have already given to you so that you can integrate. But otherwise, it looks like a good resume, and it is quite competitive for prime offer. Is my voice breaking or is it clear?
Yes, it is clear. Thank you very much
It's
for
clear,
that.
sir.
Okay, done.